takes it to a new level. You know, when you walk into this space, some of the comments from others have been, this feels like a real architectural office, a real studio, what it would be like in the real world. It also puts us at the next level to not only produce, but compete with 4-year, 5-year university programs and produce the same amount of work at a community college institution.
There is the architecture is something that we can make reference to for teaching. You know, instead of having a nondescript building and having to rely on textbooks or computer images, we can use the building itself as a means of showing examples of architectural concepts.
I think we have two different things in here which are wonderful for the coastal Bend area. We have the associate degree that we had to provide for baking, culinary, and hospitality. And we also have the continuing education classes. So that's an extra gift for the community to be able to participate and take classes to be able to learn how to make sushi or empanadas or chocolate or baked good or cooking, as well as for the students that want to develop this as a career.
And right now, I can tell you that some of the top restaurants have a lot of their leaders, their management, their supervisors are a lot of graduates. Many restaurants are still seeking more. They ask for more of our students. So I can count at least about 5 to 6, top of my head, graduates that are actually running things in the hospitality industry. They have visited us in recent times for some lunches that we invite them to, and they tour facilities, they talk to our students, and they're really excited about getting our students to go out and work for them.
Yeah, because they got this very nice facility. They got a lot of one-to-one time from me, and also from those are all my TA. You know, they're all experienced students. They have enough attention. And, they call the Golden Triangle part, like Houston and San Antonio, Austin, even Dallas. Lots of star company in biomanufacturing just asking to get our graduate. It used to be you cannot get a job after 2 years from here. You have to transfer, get a 4-year. Start from 2 years ago, I got email ask me, okay, we just want you 2-year graduates because they're just in this kind of demand.